rooftop.
Hello guys, good morning. It is a Monday morning. Rain is not falling. And we are, oh that's Sunday morning. I always do that. We are headed to Disneyland! Disney! And it's 9 a.m. We're gonna be at the park all day and I'm so excited. I'm really excited. I haven't been to Disneyland in so long. When was the last time you went? You went in like February last year.
Did I go?
Yeah, with Charlie.
Oh, I did. That's right.
I haven't been in a really long time. Bailey's here. If you guys don't know Bailey, and you like, that was weird. Bailey has a YouTube channel, and she does like gaming videos. So if you like gaming, or your brother, your sister, your grandma, they like gaming videos.
Your grandma.
Go subscribe to Bailey. What kind of games do you play?
GTA, Fortnite, Rainbow, 16.
Okay, if you could hear that. So I'll leave her channel down below, but we're headed there. There's a lot of traffic because it's Monday morning. And I need some cafe au lait.
Disney. We will get it at Disney.
Yeah. I also hear that a little birdie told me that Andrea's there. If you guys remember Andrea from probably honestly my last Disney vlog. Like when I lived here, she was probably in one of them. I don't really remember if I ever vlogged with her, but it's getting really dark. I need a churro, stat. Churro. Where are we gonna eat today?
I'm not sure.
That's like my favorite part. It's like planning where we're gonna eat.
Plaza Inn, because I love their chicken.
Oh yeah.
What else?
We also have to figure out what rides are down.
I already know. Splash.
No!
Well, I didn't want to go on it anyway, so I'm excited. And Casey Jr. ride, and there was something else. Oh, Dumbo, but whatever.
Dumbo, what do you mean?
What do you mean? What do I mean?
Why are you just like Dumbo, whatever? What
Because
if I
I'm
wanted
not
to go on it?
If it was Peter Pan, I'd be a little bit upset because that's my favorite ride at Fantasyland.
Oh yeah, question of the day. What is your favorite ride at Disneyland? I've never been to Disney World, so I can't answer for that. But my favorite ride at Disneyland is Thunder Mountain. Always been my favorite. I almost got decapitated on Thunder Mountain.
Yes, somebody has before.
I know, I was filming Remy's video and I was turned to film her and like she was like, ah, and their thing just literally grazed my head.
That's so scary.
It was scary, yeah. So yours is Peter Pan now?
You wouldn't be here making this video right now if that happened.
Isn't that so weird to think about? Yeah. Thunder Mountain. Bailey, what's your favorite ride?
Matterhorn.
Matterhorn's a good one too.
Yep.
They got like more wet on that ride though now. I'm gonna eat so much today.
I know, me too.
What is it called? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, what is it called? It's not ice. Dole Whip! I want Dole Whip. Yeah. So, that's what we're doing. I'm really excited. Look at... That was weird. Hey guys, if you can even hear me, we've made it to Disneyland, obviously. I'm on the worst ride ever. I hate this ride, Autotopia. You just drive a car, but I feel like I'm steering it with like a spaghetti strainer. And it's nothing like driving a car. It's not fun. And it's hurting my leg. Pushing this gas pedal is like a leg workout. Oh my god. I feel like I could, Okay guys. Still at Disneyland. Look who I ran into. If you guys are OG subscribers, you know Andrea. Subscribe to her channel. She just made a recreating my Instagram and it was so good. So I'll link that down below too, but we just took some Instagram pictures, plug for both of us. Right. And yeah, I'm so excited, I'm so happy I saw you.
No, literally it's been so many years.
Seriously. Oh, we should have done the Michael Trevino pose.
Wait, we have to take another one.
Okay. Okay guys, we just finished at Disneyland and I'm gonna show you, I know it's been a long day. It only closed at 8, but it's 10 now. We just got back to our car. I'm gonna show you everything that I got at Disneyland because I got kind of a lot of stuff. I got this lollipop as a prop that I really didn't even use, so I'm gonna give it to Charlie. And then because I got Charlie something, I had to get Landon something. Oh, and I got these ears. Oh, and I got these ears, which are sparkly, and I will probably never wear again that often unless they come here. Here's all my stuff. Oh, your stuff's in here too. I got Landon these sour things. Shelly said that he'd want sour. Goofy. They've had these since I was a kid. Yeah. The Goofies.
They've had those since Shelly was a kid, actually.
It's crazy. What else did I get? I got this to take back home with me, which I'm gonna really try not to eat.
Oh, I forgot you were getting that.
Before I get home. It's a caramel apple and I'm really excited. They have the best caramel apples at Disneyland.
They really do.
And then I got, what is this? Oh, I wanted to try this milk chocolate honeycomb.
I've had that.
Crisp. Is it good?
It's good.
Okay, I'm excited to try this. It's just like puffy crisps, yeah?
It's good.
Okay, I'm excited. And then reach in my bag of fun things.
Chips.
I got 2 peanut brittle. This one's yours.
Oh, you're gonna give it to me now? Thanks.
When was I supposed to give it to you?
I thought you were gonna bring
It's
it
a
home
Christmas
with you 'cause
gift.
you're leaving after me.
Oh, well, you can have it. And
Well,
then
thanks.
I also got chocolate covered strawberry.
Oh, they were making those fresh.
I saw them while I was paying for Bailey's fudge, and I was like, I need that. And I'm like, oh my god, I have more stuff. Oh no, that's the peanut brittle. That's it. That's my Disney haul. Now we're headed back to LA to see Remy, but I don't think she's there, so I'm just gonna go crash her apartment, I think.
Yeah.
Hopefully I can get up, because you need a fob to get up to her floor, and I don't have one of those.
Oh.
So I might be climbing a lot of stairs. Hi guys, it has been about 2 days since I've been home. My washer on the other side of this wall is going off, so sorry it's really loud. I wanted to end the vlog for today because I never end them. Really need to start ending them properly. Yeah, I finally unpacked. It usually takes me a lot longer than 2 days, and I got it done. I just am in the mentality for clean room recently, and that is what I did today, was clean my room. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you like these vlogs, make sure to subscribe and comment down below some video ideas, because I have all my videos for this month planned and things are going to be a little bit different, and I'm really excited about it. I hope that you guys are excited about it. I will see you guys in my next video on Tuesday. Bye!
Get on my elevator.